Hello, everybody. I'm very sure you're seeing this video after you have watched all the 5 episodes. Did you realize how geopolitics, which is nothing else but the study of other countries in alignment or for the benefit of our national interests, actually manifests into? Can there be anyone who says that he is not connected to geopolitics? Youth, regardless of what stream they are in, whether they go for engineering, for medical, or for military, or they simply join income tax, trade, media, wherever they go, should they not have this knowledge of geopolitics? At the end of the day, everyone is working towards only national goal. The aim of these 5 videos was basically to tell you exactly about it, to make you aware of geopolitics. How much are we interested? Geopolitics is not something that some foreign ministry people will do or few politicians will do. No, it is not that. Those stories are old, where some military guys will tell you that when we spoke of something, so someone from the foreign ministry or someone from the government told us, your job is just to execute, leave geopolitics to us. No, sir. Geopolitics cannot be left to a handful of people. Geopolitics of India belongs to the entire population, and they have to be interested, they have to be taught, they have to be educated, they have to be trained, and they have to come up with this knowledge. Only then they will bind as a country. I have come down to the training when it comes to the last episode for the armed forces. Where do we go from here? We will take two very distinct directions from here. One direction will be with Professor Sonali, where we will just focus on one region, Kashmir, the POK and the COK, the China occupied Kashmir, and combined how our geopolitical mistakes have not let us become a power with the CAR, the Central Asian Republics, within land reach. There is something not correct we have done. The second direction we'll take is radical military reforms. Radical military reforms means reforms for the armed forces, and in this particular case, 90% plus for Indian Army. What I said about the bureaucracy of the turf wars at the national level between the bureaucracy and the military, which is made out to be, it is not in the interest of nation. It has to be finished. Likewise, the turf wars within army need to be finished once for all. If you want every brilliant military mind to come up and take up national security, and not those people who come up are the ones who have been manipulated by the seniors to come up to take care of national security. No, sir. So that is what radical military reforms is all about. These have to be taken very positively for the nation. If we are interested in India, if we are interested in India's interests, we have to be very clear. Are we interested in individual progress, or are we interested in national security? I think the nation will always remain on top. So look forward to you joining us with me and Professor Sonali Chitalkar for that particular regional discussion, and also my solo videos for radical military reforms. Thank you very much for watching Armed Forces and Geopolitics. Take care.